Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania. Today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on this makeup look. I'll be wearing my base makeup already. I'm just gonna do my eyes and lips, and I'm gonna create this sea green cut crease with a hint of yellow, and I'm gonna mix two colors. One is blue and another one is green to get the sea green color. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Well, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette. And right now I'm applying a shade which is very close to my skin tone, and I'm just creating the perfect base for my eye makeup. And right now I'm applying the blue shade from my eyeshadow palette, and this is a very beautiful and bright shade. And I'm just trying to blend the shade well. After blending the blue shade, I'm applying a green shade, and I'm applying the shade on the top of the blue shade, and I'm just making sure both the colors get mixed with each other well. And right now I'm cutting the crease, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just trying to blend the concealer well so that the area doesn't look cakey. And right now I'm applying a bright shimmery yellow shade on top of the concealer and blending it properly. And right now I'm again applying the same bright blue shade on my lower lash line. I'm blending it well. And right now I'm using the green shade on the top of it, and I'm blending these two shades well so that I get the smoky and smudgy look. And right now I'm highlighting my brow bones. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes to make the eye makeup even more bright. So I have applied the falsies eyeliner and mascara. And right now I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm using the blush from Revlon in the shade Classy Coral. And right now I'm highlighting my cheekbones. And I'm using the same highlighter from Makeup Revolution. I'm applying the highlighter also on my chin, on my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead. And right now I'm applying the lipstick from NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Drug, and this is a beautiful hot pink color. I just love how it looks on my lips, and I just love bold colors like this. So this is the final look.